Hey guys, it's your loyal creator, Malgarzone. I'm over here just going outside, exploring the nature. Today I'm making this, exploring the woods. Those are just my group of friends that I'm, hanging out with. Don't be too jealous, my aura is too gigantic. Uh, as you see, there's some reed plants or whatever. As you kind of like take this all in, you kind of gotta wonder. Nature is at times, sometimes can be cruel, but also dangerous. Well, and also beautiful at the same time. See, there's this thing called biophilia. This when you're around nature, you feel better because of biophilia. It's stuck in your brain. I learned this in school, and basically, this makes you feel more relaxed. See, that's why people like this. This is why people like nature so much sometimes. I don't know why other people don't, but exploring here kind of makes you, relax. Since nature is all quiet, just except for some chirping sounds or anything. Makes you really appreciate life more. And sometimes you get like deep in thought. And you just think about things that happened in recent years, Yeah. Don't jinx it! Sorry about that. So basically, I want to thank you all for spending your time on me, watching this. And overall, just staying with me. If you watched all my other shorts, thank you for staying here with me. I'm gonna try and upload more, which is probably not gonna happen. But if I find something interesting or I want to make a short on, maybe later on in the year when I get a PC or something, so I can edit and make videos. Yeah. But I'm gonna end this off with a sneak peek at the river. Look.
I just have to say it over and over again.
Look at this beautiful river.
Ew.
I think there's some fish in there, but it's clear. It's a bit clear, but a bit musky as well. Anyways, thank you for being on my YouTube channel. I hope you have a really good day. Goodbye.
Yeah, I hope you have
Bye.
a good day.
Yeah, bye.